It's fall, we're going into winter. We've actually got some nice cooler temps and some rain for once, and a lot of folks are getting excited about being able to plant in the garden, and this is a great time of year to actually plant trees and shrubs. And today I want to talk about a technique when we are planting new trees and shrubs in the landscape on root pruning. Now let's talk about root growth on plants. When we pull them out of containers, because those roots have nowhere to go, they end up circling and circling. If you look here, we see beautiful white roots. That means that they are very healthy. In some cases where plants have been in containers for too long, we'll see a lot of circling, and we'll see some brown roots that are actually dying roots because they've been restricted for too long. One technique that you should use every time you plant is called root shaving. What you actually will do is you can use a handsaw, a knife, you can use pruners, and what we want to do is we want to cut along the outside. The reason we do this, because they're grown in a container, they will continue to circle once they're in the ground. But by cutting this, it will promote that root growth to grow out and stabilize that tree, which is so important when we're talking about high winds and hurricanes. So before planting, we'll actually shave these roots on the outside. That'll promote that growth outwards. You can put it back in the container for a few days it will cause a little bit of shock. Water these in and then they can be planted normally. And this will actually produce roots that grow out and stop that circling caused by containers. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.